won't need to look too hard for the ingredients in this recipe. Place your butter in a bowl and add your caster sugar. Mix the ingredients with a spatula, fairly liquid, smooth and even paste. The next step is to add your flour, but only a little, and mix it through. Just like the pasta, you don't want to add all the flour at once. This technique ensures you have a lump-free mixture. As you add the flour, it develops a more dough-like texture, but still a liquid. This is the time to add the other ingredients. Put your lemon zest and nuts in and give it a little stir. You'll soon realize that mixing with the spatula is no longer an option, and you will have to get your hands in. If your dough is still very sticky, add a little more flour until you can comfortably pick up the mixture without it falling and dripping from your hands. Take an oven tray and line with grease-proof paper. Place your biscotti dough, stretched out a little, on the tray, and now you are ready to place it in your 180 degrees Celsius preheated oven. Bake for about 25 minutes, or till firm. Remove the biscotti from the oven and allow to cool. When your loaf has reduced in temperature and feels firmer to the touch, you can place it on a cutting board and begin to slice into biscuits. Keep the slices thin and even. Lightly dust your papered oven tray with caster sugar and place the cut biscuits on the tray. Proceed to dust these with a little more caster sugar. Place back in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Your biscotti is now ready to serve, and there is no better way to enjoy biscotti than the traditional way. Although delicious on its own, biscotti is traditionally served with Vin Santo, or holy wine. You dip the biscotti into the Vin Santo and eat the biscuit, then dip again. Biscotti and Vin Santo are cultural flavour of Italy that you can enjoy at home.